counselor, I would like to suggest, first and foremost, the education, the way the education is given or taught is completely different from our Indian counterpart institutions and stuff, because we have a very set curriculum, we have a very set textbooks and assignments and everything, whereas they are beyond all these. The professors are not there to spoon feed you, but to just give you directions and I would say provoke you to think further on certain things. So basically they would give you a long list of readings or textbooks which you need to refer and need to learn from them and understand things, understand concepts, discuss the same with your classmates and get a better idea about it. Because over there it's not like a written exam, or it's, you're not assigned or you're not assessed by only written exams how it happens back in India. So basically they have a very dynamic way of assessing a student. That would be by their performance in their involvement in the class, assignments wherein there is a question given to you which you're free enough to judge or write according to your understanding after you make the readings. These books and these assignments or journals are quite extensive, so a student needs to read and sit back in libraries. The libraries over there are state of art, they're quite huge with a lot of facilities within it, like canteen, food, sofas, you might even sleep there down the entire night. So all these facilities and the libraries are quite huge enough, and you might even get lost while finding a book that you want. So basically the way of learning or teaching or preparing for an exam is completely different than what you would have in Germany or any other place. Assignments need you to write your opinion, your understanding. So while you read, you will be able to understand them. The second major thing which students should know is that you're not allowed to copy. That is something which students do very easily. We only wait for the first person in the class to write the assignment, and rest all with all the similar mistakes we copy and xerox and submit the same assignment, which cannot be done there because you would be caught for copying over there. They have softwares. Plagiarism is a very important issue and crime over there, so you should be careful in this manner. So these are few tips which I would suggest you as a counselor.